Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Area 5. I'm Shaun.
And I'm Danielle.
And we're here live again today with another good topic for you guys.
Alright you guys, so basically today we are going to be discussing what gets on our nerves. Now, you may hear this and you may think that it might be like a bickering session or anything like that, but it's not to, bash your partner. It's just to, put it out there, and who knows, you guys may relate to how we feel, you never know. So if you guys are into that type of thing, then keep watching.
It's definitely some bashing going on today because let me tell you what get on my nerve. I'm sure some of y'all can relate. Most of my fellas can probably relate, and I'm sure some of my ladies can relate too. I can't stand somebody who complain over and over and over again about the exact same thing that they do. Instance, if I come in the house and I walk over towards the bar, I take my shoes off, set my book back down up there on the bar, and then I go on with my evening. When I see her come in the house and she takes her shoes off, leave them right in front of the steps, and walk right around the corner and go get some of the juice. Where you always leaving your shoes at? Like, your shoes right there. You don't see your shoes, you just see my shoes. How is that possible?
Okay, let me explain. Okay, granted, I may leave my shoes out by the stairs or by the door, somewhere like that, but it's not like an everyday thing. And on top of that, he puts his stuff in an area that's supposed to be the bar. Why do you want to go to your bar, and why do you want to see shoes and your work laptop and a book bag and whatever, that is not what that place is meant for. So when I see it, I just feel like I gotta say something. What's wrong with that?
You say something, but while you saying something, I don't see you moving your shoes. Just because I ain't complaining about it, don't mean it's not something that shouldn't happen or shouldn't be corrected. Like, you need to have your ducks in a row before you come over here trying to line my ducks up. But anyway, what's something that get on your nerves? So,
what gets on my nerves? Okay, one thing that he does that really gets on my nerves is he has a tendency to take his clothes off and throw them in the floor. Not in the hamper, not in a pile in the corner, but just in the middle of the floor. I don't know why that is acceptable. Like, for one, when you take your clothes off, you should put them away. Like, they're dirty, put them in the dirty clothes. I don't want to walk in my room and have to walk over your clothes to get in the bed or anything like that. It's just mind-boggling to me. Why?
What's mind-boggling to me is how you make it seem like I just walk in the house and I start stripping down butt naked as soon as I walk in the room. That is not the case most days. I come in the house, I don't like to get in the bed with my work clothes on. When I like to get in the bed, I just like to change clothes before I get in the bed. Whatever I worked in, I want to be in the bed. So we have a fairly large bedroom. Instead of me walking all the way around the corner, all the way through the bathroom, all the way into the back of the closet where the hamper is, I just take my stuff off and throw it right there by my dresser. It's not in the middle of the floor, it's just right there by my dresser. But hey, I'll get it as soon as I head that direction. Sometimes I just don't feel like it right at that moment. But it's not like it stay there overnight or over the weekend or something like that. You just sit there until later on that night when I get ready to go in there and take a shower.
I beg to differ. But you know what? We're not going to get into that right now because, hey, he has his viewpoint and I have mine. But basically, we just wanted to do this video to put it out there and to show that because you get on each other's nerves doesn't mean that you have to be in a bad space. Hey, that's the part of being in a relationship. You got to learn to live with that person, so.
Yeah, and I think a little bit of disagreement is healthy. I mean, there's no such thing as a perfect relationship, but you can have somebody that's perfect for you. But that person can only be perfect for you if you can withstand some of their constant bickering about things that they do or stuff that happens around the house. So that being said, just love each other, work around each other, and if you got something that gets on your spouse's nerve or your spouse gets on your nerve, hey, let us know. We might put this in a future episode.
Definitely. But yeah, you guys make sure you come back, check us out. We will be here to talk about the next new hot topic. But anyway, be sure to follow us on our Instagrams. You can follow me at Danny Jones. That's DANII_Jones, JONESSS.
And you can find me at s.jones. That's ESS_DOT_JONES. So until next time, you guys, stay tuned. Give us your feedback. Let us know what you think. Let us know if my gripes make sense or if her gripes make sense. And we'll see y'all next time live on Area 5. Peace.
Deuces.